Hello, listeners. Welcome back to Speakock, your inspiring channel. Today, we'll know about some interesting facts about Irfan Khan. His real name is Shahbaz Irfan Ali Khan. He was born in Jaipur, Rajasthan in 1967 in a Muslim family. They are Pathans. Despite being a Pathan family, he hates non-veg and his father often comments on him by saying that he is a Brahmin born in Pathans. He also got into controversy regarding Islamic ritual of Qurbani. He said, "We have forgotten the real meaning behind rituals and festivals and have turned them into a spectacle." His comments were criticized by Muslim critics. He married to Sutapa Sikdar, who is a dialogue writer. They have two sons, Ayan Khan and Babali Khan. His favorite film is The Men. He takes 12 to 14 crores for a film. If you ask, does Irfan Khan smoke and drink alcohol? Yes to both. Irfan Khan was born in a family with royal connections from his mother's side, and his father was a wealthy jamindar who wanted him to join their family business of tithes. In his school, he was a very shy person, as his teachers used to scold him because his voice was never audible in the class. He faced a lot of struggle in his teenage, and he has worked as a repairer of air conditioners and also as a tutor to earn his living. He aspired to become a cricketer, but his parents were not in favor of this. Because of this, cricket is still a favorite sport for Irfan Khan. He was selected for a tournament named CK Naidu tournament, which is for players under 23 years. But due to lack of funds, he missed the opportunity. While pursuing MA in Jaipur, he was offered a scholarship to attend NSD, National School of Drama, and by luck, he entered the world of drama. In his final year at NSD, Meera Nair selected him to appear in Salaam Bombay. However, his role was cut down at the time of release. Later, he appeared in some unnoticed films during 90s, but things changed when he got the opportunity to play a role in the British Indian film The Warrior. He rose to fame with his negative role in Tigmanshu Dhulia's film Hasil in 2003. In 2005, he got his first lead role in the film Rock after many of his films got shelved. He appeared in various TV shows like Chanakya, Chandrakanta, and Bharat Ek Khoj after completing his diploma from NSD. He met the love of his life, Sutapa Sikdar, in NSD, where they used to study in the same class. He has a dream of gifting her mother a suitcase full of money one day. His acting in the film Pawan Singh Tomar was critically acclaimed by the audience, and he also got many accolades for the film. His acting in the film Lunchbox was critically the only Indian movie to get TFCA Toronto Film Critics Association Award. For his commitment to the films Lunchbox and D-Day, he turned down a big role in the movie Interstellar, and for this he had to leave India and stay in the USA for 4 months. He once told that in 1993 he did not have enough money to watch Jurassic Park, but in 2015 he appeared in the American film Jurassic World. Apart from acting, he also voiced 2 video games titled Lego Jurassic World and Lego Dimensions. In September 2015, the Rajasthan government named him the brand ambassador of Resurgent Rajasthan campaign. Just because his name resembles a terror suspect, he has been detained twice at Los Angeles airport. He is very much choosy when it comes to scripts, and he gives a good research to his role. His writer wife once told that she had to rewrite the script of some of the episodes of Banegi Apni Baat a dozen times because Irfan wasn't satisfied with it. He is the first Bollywood actor to have acted in 2 films that won the Academy Awards. One is Slumdog Millionaire and another one is Life of Pi. For the film Piku, he rejected Ridley Scott's film The Martian. Irfan just took 2 hours to read the script of Blackmail and agreed to do it. It was also reported later that he was diagnosed with a tumor at the time of shoot of this film. On 16th March 2018, he revealed that he is suffering from a rare disease called neuroendocrine tumor, a situation in which the neuroendocrine cells grow into tumors, which we can call it as a cancer. He died on 29th April 2020 with his disease. A great actor